How are you all? Are you all doing well? This time I will share again about how to deal with a laptop that cannot enter Windows. So when it is turned on, it blue screens and restarts again. So it goes back and forth when it restarts. And now we will try to turn it on. Well, let's turn on the laptop first and I will show you the error first. How is the error? Then it will appear like this. At first it looks normal. There is a loading loop like this, it looks normal. But after a few seconds, the screen turns blue, friends. Well, wait a moment. Well, this is what the error looks like, friends. It's a blue screen with an eye and a frown. Well, this is the error Inaccessible Boot Device. This means that the boot table settings cannot be accessed. This is actually very easy because the problem itself is in the BIOS settings. Well, friends, when the error appears, it will look like this. Prepare automatic repair. But he couldn't fix it. It should have prepared the automatic repair, but it couldn't. So, in this process, friends, don't turn off the laptop using the power button. It can affect the hard drive, or don't let the battery run out. The hard drive is the one that gets hit first. So, just wait until the boot option appears. There will be a button there. So, like this, friends, wait until here, be patient. Now, here, please select the advanced option. Now, I'll zoom in first. Now, don't restart it. We choose the advanced option. Now, it will appear like this. Please, friends, shut down the laptop gently. Now, that's how to shut down the laptop gently, not by force. Now, please turn on the laptop with the power button and then press the F2 button. Why do you have to press F2? It's to enter the BIOS. This is because Esther's laptop, she entered the BIOS using the F2 button. It's different from Lenovo, yes, Lenovo F2 plus FN. Asus F2, HP F10. Now, friends, this is the memory information and VGA and RAM memory information. Well, here there's a quick boot, which we just enable to make the boot faster. Well, the important thing is that friends set the SATA configuration. Yes, SATA mode, friends, choose AHC. Now, this hard disk, try to raise it using F6. F6 on the keyboard button. Now, here you need to know how to operate it using the keyboard. Yes, you can't use the mousepad. The mousepad can't use the touchpad. Next, save using F10 and enter. Now, the laptop will automatically restart. Well, please wait a moment and we'll see the results. It turns out the problem is trivial, yes, so just set the boot device in SATA configuration. That's what was wrong earlier, so the BIOS settings are just wrong. But if you don't know, it's also troublesome. So I just uploaded it in case friends are experiencing the same problem, and yes, hopefully this method can help. Like that. Actually, there are many ways to solve it, but I use the easiest way so that the duration is not too long and so that friends don't get confused with other methods. Well, here. Well, you can now enter Windows, right, friends? No more blue screen.